The demon Narakasura ruled the city of Pragjyotisha, believed to be located in present-day Assam. He was the son of Bhumi, the earth goddess. Over time, Narakasura became notorious for his cruelty and his blatant disrespect toward gods and women. He defeated Indra, abducted 16,000 women, imprisoned them, and stole the ear, rings and territories of Aditi, the celestial mother goddess. Alarmed by his actions, Indra, the king of the Devas, requested Lord Krishna to defeat Narakasura and free the heavens from his tyranny. Krishna, accompanied by his mount Garuda and his wife Satyabhama, laid siege to Narakasura's city. After a fierce battle, Krishna killed the demon using his Sudarshana Chakra and recovered Aditi's stolen earrings. Pleased with Satyabhama's devotion, Aditi granted her the boon of eternal youth. Narakasura's defeat is celebrated as Narak Chaturdashi, observed on the first day of the Deepavali festival, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil.